From supermarket checkouts to assembly lines, conveyor belts have become a part of our daily life. Believe it or not, the concept of the conveyor belt has a history stretching back to the late 18th century. The first iterations were used in the mining industry to transport bulk materials over short distances. It wasn't until 1901 that the Swedish company Sandvik invented the modern steel conveyor belt, revolutionizing industries across the world. The magic of conveyor belts lies in their efficiency. They offer a continuous, streamlined method to move goods around, improving productivity and reducing manual labor. In the food industry, specialized food-grade conveyor belts help maintain hygiene standards and prevent contamination. In the logistics sector, they're the backbone of warehouse operations, enabling the swift handling of countless packages daily. At Furex, we recognize the transformative power of conveyor systems in driving the world's industries. That's why we specialize in manufacturing custom, high-quality parts for conveyor systems, ensuring they run smoothly and reliably. From conveyor belts in the past to the automated digital systems of the future at Furex, we're excited to be part of this journey, creating parts that help drive progress. Visit our channel for more insights into the world of manufacturing.